Hi everyone, this is Ivan. Today we're going to look at how to use VLOOKUP in Excel. So basically what VLOOKUP does in Excel application is it helps the users to look for information in a worksheet. And you can cross the different workbooks as long as it's in Excel. The VLOOKUP can look for information for you. So I have the formula tab out here so you can see how everything works together. And here I'm actually going to do it with you so we can see exactly how it works. So we have a table here that's a customer table that has the name of the customer and ID. So basically if I'm looking for the ID for customer A, I need to first thing to type VLOOKUP, and after you type VLOOKUP, it will ask you to see what information you're looking for, and in this case we're looking for customer A's information for customer A. We put a comma, then we're going to click the table that has the customer ID information. So in this case I can select the whole thing, so that's the table 1, and put a comma, and we're looking for a customer ID in this case. So if we did a simple count right here, column B is actually the second column in this table 1, so I'll put number 2 here. And the last one is we're looking for the exact match, right? Because we're not looking for the approximate match. That's a different function we'll talk in a different days, but here we are going to type false, and that will tells the VLOOKUP to look for the exact match. And that's how you get the customer ID right here that says 1, which is what we're intended to look for. Alright, move on to the next part. We're going to look at index match. So index match is a combination of Excel formulas that help user look for information within a table. So the difference between VLOOKUP and index match: VLOOKUP formula only looks for information that sits on the right of the reference column. So in the previous example, we're looking for customer ID that's on the right of the customer column. So one day if the customer column sits actually not the first but the second column in a table, in this case we can use a VLOOKUP. So instead we can use a combination of index and match formulas to give us the information we're looking for. So the way we did it is we first type =, index, and press the tab key, and now we'll select the index formula for us. The first area we're looking for is the position of the column. So we're looking for the customer ID. We just make sure we select the whole column in table 2, put a comma. Next we type match, press the tab key right here. Then we're going to tell the formula to look for customer A. So the position of customer A here is cell F14 right here. And the next one is going to tell the formula where the customer A column sits in table 2. So we just select the column, customer column in table 2 right here, and comma, and put 0 to look for exact match. After we put 2 closing parentheses, and that's what we need to do to give you the information for customer ID. So actually it tells you the customer ID 1 is for customer A. Alright, that's how we do the index match formula. So we can see these two, like VLOOKUP formula and a combination of index match is pretty similar to each other. And hopefully we all learned something today, and this is today's video. I will see you in the next video. Bye.